I want to start with that video. Did you see that Shadi ka video of Kangana and Supriya
Naveen
Sule,
Jindal's.
Kangana Ranaut, and
Naveen
Naveen Jindal's thing, and then at the Sangeet, and we were talking about Tehseen being one of the sane people from the left, and then there's the insane person on the right out here. So everybody fights with each other. कि हम इनके supporter हैं, फलां के supporter हैं, and here are these politicians for whom people are spilling blood, who are all dancing together, making merry.
Yeah, but this is something which people in India seem to have forgotten. And this is something which I also blame the politicians. When they come on television screens, they will go after each other like there's no tomorrow, right? With a vengeance. The moment you step outside the studio, everybody is sugar and honey, right? People who are watching that thing, the shows, they think that all of these guys are going to be daggers drawn the moment they walk out of the studios. That's not the case. And there has always been a certain decency, or has been, I don't know if it still exists, in Indian politics, which unfortunately is not there or does not seem to be there anymore.
Amongst the supporters or the politics?
I think even within the politicians, there is now a lot of... So there is that one segment which, as you were saying about that wedding,
Okay.
yeah, who are okay, yeah, theek hai, we have political differences and we go after each other, but there is a certain space in which we all are friends.
But why
and
do
we can
they
do work.
Which means that, Anand, you're on TV debates almost every night, right? Is this fake, the going for each other by politicians, by the spokespersons, and after the cameras are off, are they all just friends? And are people getting divided in their living rooms saying, ye ganda hai, ye achhi hai?
Yeah, there's a bit of that, but to be honest, there's only twice I think I have seen Modi ji break out into the heartiest of laughs, जिसमें no restraint वाला laughter होता है ना, वैसे हमने मोदी जी को कभी देखा नहीं. 2 बार मैंने देखा उनको. एक बार जब फॉरेन लीडर्स के साथ वो हंसते हैं, तब वो एकदम ऐसे पीछे थ्रो हिज हेड बैक एंड लाफ्स, और दूसरा एक बार सीताराम येचुरी के साथ देखा. तो उनके दोनों लड़ रहे होते हैं और वहां पे वो पूरा हंस रहे होते हैं. आई थिंक देयर इज अ बिट ऑफ दैट.
But it's inauthentic in the TV studios, isn't it? Like, what is your take on
Half
this?
of it is true. Half of it is true.
I think amongst people who've done a lot of TV, have been doing TV sometimes, say a few years, there is a certain amount of respect, decency, and accepting another point of view. And you don't cross a certain invisible line. I think with the new spokespersons on all sides, there is this idea of being personal and being abusive, because I also think comes from lack of content. When you don't have content, you start getting personal. If you have enough content to speak, I don't think you need to be personal.
Why is there not enough content in politics?
Because they don't want to read.
Listen
They
to
don't
these
read,
guys.
they don't study. They don't study
They
anything.
don't study. वो chat GPT पे या Grok पे जितना उतना पढ़कर आते हैं, and if Sushant asks them one question out of syllabus, they're gone. They have no idea. They have zero idea what they're talking. So that is what happens. And then the rhetoric becomes, you have to put that rhetoric out. Period. So I think that sometimes is taking away from your capacity to think and articulate your point.
I think
mean,
these
you
are
had
so
a couple
Do you
of-
lose a friend every hour with every tweet that you do?
No, surprisingly, I don't. I would say.
So what are
He
these?
loses one friend and he gains 2.
exactly. So I would say 90% of the Congress are very dear friends of mine. Right? There has never been an issue there. There are some people in the Congress who don't like me, big deal. Lots of SP guys are friends of mine.
And your misogynistic tweets, will you please explain that?
What misogynistic tweets
So,
exactly?
He's a
everybody-
woman, he can't be a misogynist.
Yeah.
Yeah. Please.
Okay.
First, I identify as a woman. Second, I'm equal opportunity. You want equality, this is what equality looks like.
Because you
Don't-
abuse
it's like-
even men, right?
So don't see the moment you claim you want equality, but then can't take it like a man. Don't expect equality from me. I'm going to treat you like dirt.
So equal opportunity offences coming
Now,
your way.
the very curious thing about that wedding was, if you notice, Supriya Sule is one of the nicest people you'll ever meet. She's friendly with everyone. Okay. Kangana, I don't know. I've never met or whatever, but Naveen Jindal has always been affable. Off screen, he's never been on screen as far as I know. Naveen
No,
Jindal.
I'm
He's
not
in
talking
BJP
about
now.
just,
He's in BJP now,
just
but
one
he's-
wedding. It's unfair to talk about a wedding.
But it's very curious that one of the people dancing out there has a big issue with anybody being friends in private. But that person, of course, is free to be friends with whoever they want.
But you admire that person, Hela.
I hugely admire that person.
But
I
also
think
that
I'm
person,
yeah.
that person
Sorry, you're talking about
is
that
not
someone who's got education from quote
whatever,
unquote
we're not
from
naming.
a
But the point is
small-time
that-
evangelical
that these
American town.
persons are probably dancing and mixing and not necessarily talking to the people that they are dancing with on the stage. That's also possible.
That's also perfectly possible.
That they are
but-
little planets
No, how
in
can
the
you?
solar
How can you? When it's a shadi ka dance, how can you not talk? There's rehearsal together. You will get the steps.
See,
to
not
coordinate.
everybody is like you, not talking to everybody.
No, but still, I mean,
But Shadi, who's
shadi mein to
talking? I'm
how-
concentrating on butter naan and kadhai
You are
paneer.
at another level.
Namaste, Jai Hind. You're watching ANI podcast with Smita Prakash.
अगर हम उसको मस्जिद कहेंगे तो फिर विवाद होगा।
The issue is टूटा है क्या भारत?
400 पार का मतलब ये है कि संविधान खतरे में है।
क्या हम लोग ये निर्देश देते हैं कि फला को गिरफ्तार करके जेल डाल दें?
वही तो कह रहे हैं सब।
ये बेबुनियाद निराधार आरोप।
सच्चा सुनना चाहो देखो स्मिता प्रकाश ANI, it does not lie.